Reinstalled Firefox. It's not a fresh install. Why? My Firefox started to get really sluggish, crashing sometimes, and CPU usage was way too high. It was at 30 to 55% the last time I checked. I have a ThinkPad T450S, so there shouldn't be any issues with performance and resources. The T450S got an i7, 12GB RAM and a 512GB SSD. I just uninstalled Firefox, downloaded the newest version and installed it. The first thing to greet me were my old tabs. Everything was like nothing happened. Every bookmark, the history and all cookies are still present. What happened?
Your personal information is stored within the following location: %appdata %/mozilla /firefox /profiles /. When you remove and reinstall Firefox, those files and folders with your profile settings are left intact. Although you actually did successfully replace the Firefox program files, the things that you see are still retained within your Windows user profile. I saw the same thing happen when the 64-bit version of Firefox was first released. I removed the 32-bit version of Firefox from my Windows 10 Pro X64 machine, and when I installed the 64-bit version of Mozilla's browser, it made for a very smooth transition. The following information was still there: bookmarks, browsing and download history, passwords, open windows and tabs, cookies, web form, autofill information, personal dictionary. For future reference, should you need to do this again, it would probably be a bit faster and easier to utilize the built-in Refresh Firefox feature instead. In your Firefox address bar, enter About column Support and then select the Refresh Firefox button on the upper right. Sources: Profiles, where Firefox stores your bookmarks, passwords, and other user data. Refresh Firefox, reset add-ons and settings.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.